walking across the river, walking hand in hand on the river. Your eyes meet mine, I think I fell in love.
So we'll look at the interior. The back here, it's not too bad. It's fairly clean, fairly good condition. The trunk, I don't think the back was used much, at least seat-wise. Yeah, a lot of cleaning to do. The front of where it gets a little bit more dicey. These are definitely pretty worn. You know, like I said, I'm not looking for this to be a show truck or anything, so I'll just probably put some cleaner and some conditioner on it and leave it like that for now. Door card I gotta replace. I have one coming. It's from another W163. I think the AMGs have like a special color door card. I'm just probably gonna put in one from another W163, similar color, and keep it like that for now. Head units aftermarket. I have a dash, like a kit for it to hopefully hold it better in place. But yeah, the car needs a lot of like cleaning and detailing. Like, this is really filthy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely going to take a good amount of work. Hey guys, so I took out this headlamp here to switch out the low beam. I think it's a low beam, the high beam together, the low beam bulbs, and the turn signals. Unfortunately, this bolt is not snapped out there, but I think it'll hold on tight enough at least for now until I can drill it out. I got the low beam working on this one. I switched it out. It works. The turn signal, I think it's the wrong bulb. It's like the clear version, so I gotta swap it out for the orange version. And then it's on to the fog lights. I sprayed it down with some PV blaster, just trying to see how I can really get access, if I have anything kind of like flexible enough to get that out. We'll see afterwards. It is cold here, so I may leave it for another day, but yep. So here is the headlamp. And if you turn around here, turn signal is here. Just kind of turn it the other way, pull it out. You could change the bulb. This is actually held in by a screw. That's not factory. I guess someone broke like the mounting tab, but basically you just pull this back, pull it out. There's like a kind of a cover. You use 3 T20 Torx. You loose it out. Well, first you have to kind of pull off the connector. You twist it, pull, then you loosen the 3 T20 Torx, and then the bulb. You get access to the bulb. You can take it out and swap it. Psyched that I finally have the HIDs running. And when I first got the car, the low beams didn't work, only the high beams worked. And I think this bulb was out. Still need to work on the fogs. It's really cold right now, so, and I think I need some kind of flexible extension to be able to get that top bolt, or I just need to remove the bumper. Gotta figure that out. I love the tires though, looks really mean. Yes, kind of ghetto. So we have almost 208,000 miles. Check engine lights on, and those 3 lights are on as well. Supposedly those 3, I think that's probably the ESP, ABS, and ETS. I can't remember the other one is, but supposedly those came on when the car was lifted. I have a scanner. I'm gonna have to scan it and see what the issue is, but it drives fine for now. It's interesting how that turn signal is stuck there. Let's see. It's very interesting actually. At least this turn signal works fine now. Okay. This one does not. Alright, I guess that's something I gotta check out. I don't know why that's happening. Very interesting, I just realized that. But yeah, like I said before, I gotta kind of mount that a little bit better and give this all a really good cleaning, like a deep clean. Sunroof up here, it's kind of bubbling down a bit. Not a huge deal, I guess. So the truck is kind of a rough truck, but it runs well. That's what I was really looking for. I mean, it does have some lights on, but we'll get that figured out in time. But I just wanted something that, like, you know, suspension work and things like that were taken care of, and that's what I was told. But other than that, there's a lot of things that need attention. Turn signal is so weird, but yeah, it's definitely a project for sure. Hoping to take it on like many adventures and like do fun stuff with it. That's really the reason I got this, and because a W163 was like super nostalgic for me, like I said before. But yeah, it's gonna be a journey with this, definitely. So stay tuned if you're into W163s, you're into ML55s. This is my first AMG, so it's kind of a big thing for me, even though it's super rough. But I'm excited. Let's hear how it sounds actually. So I honestly removed this headlight again, took out the bulb, switched it around, put it back in, and then it works fine now. Turn signal works fine. It's not stuck on like before. I don't know. I don't really know what that was about. Something about the contacts maybe, I think I read. But hey, it works now. So I just gonna button this back up, and I might call it a day because I'm freezing. Definitely has some good power to it.